Hey there, this is the Oria micro bit set. Inside you will find a whole bunch of micro bits. And I'm saying micro bits because these are really tiny little bits. And this is a great set if you're going to be working on little tiny electronics like cell phones and such. And what I like about this set is that it has basically everything you're going to need to work on various different electronic components. And these bits are held into place magnetically, so they're very easy to take out and very easy to put back in. And each of the bits have labels on them telling you exactly what size and what type of bit it is. In addition to the labels, you'll find a little picture underneath each one showing you what type of bit it is. On this side here is the driver that you're going to use for these bits, and that one is not held in magnetically, but there's a little clip on top that holds it in. Let's take that out really quick and check it out. In the rear over here, it's got a spinning base, making it easy for you to operate this in one hand. Inside the bit slot, there's a little magnet which holds the bits into place just like this, and it won't fall out. The driver itself is also made out of metal, and it's very sturdy feeling. And under this side here, there's a little slot that tells you that it goes back into the case in that direction. And just like a pen, you press it in once to click it back into place, and it won't fall back out. Press it again, it'll come out, and you can pull it out just like that. This case feels really nice. It feels very premium. And overall, I really like this product. I've used it many times already for repairing different things such as phones and cameras. And it comes in handy all the time. Now, thank you guys for watching.